Today I am going to give the briefing on the class 12 topic DNA fingerprinting. After briefing on the next lecture, I will explain the DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting, the other name is DNA profiling or DNA typing, T-Y-P-I-N-G. This technique was developed by, for the first time, the scientist, English scientist Alec Jeffrey, A-L-E-C Jeffrey. And now in India also Dr. Lalji worked on the DNA fingerprinting in the Institute of Hyderabad. The DNA fingerprinting depends on the human genome. According to the DNA fingerprinting, it takes the basic concept that DNA double helical structure made up of purine and pyrimidine bases, which are held by hydrogen bond, linked adenine linked with thymine and cytosine linked with guanine. They are nitrogenous bases. So the individual have same type of nitrogenous bases, only the difference of 0.1%, which make 1% differ on the basis of DNA fingerprinting to the other. That is, if the base pair is 3 into 10 raised to the power 9, out of that 3 is to 10 raised to power 6, this difference. And this difference of my genome differ me from the other genome. So this is the base of DNA fingerprinting. Earlier the fingerprinting of the handprint, they can be altered, but the DNA fingerprinting in which the genome is considered, it cannot be altered by any device. So the scientists consider that DNA, which is double helical structure, it has coding and non-coding sequence. Coding, nitrogenous basis coding. The non-coding sequence, for example, this is double strand. The non-coding is a small fragment and which repeat many times on the DNA strand. And this repetition of a small non-coding fragment on many times DNA sequence called as repeated DNA. Repeated DNA. Now this repeated DNA is the source of DNA fingerprinting. So what the scientist does, they extract this repeated DNA from the main DNA, take out the main DNA, and this main DNA is called bulk DNA in the lab condition. And they extract this repeated DNA by the method, advanced technological method called as density centrifuge method. And by this method, the repeated DNA which they get called as satellite DNA. Satellite DNA is nothing, it is a small non-coding fragment of DNA which is repeated many times. This satellite DNA, on the basis of number of base pair, on the basis of length, on the basis of number of tandem repeat. Tandem is nothing, it is a pattern of repetition of non-coding sequence. Divide satellite DNA as mini satellite and micro. Larger the base pair, more length of the base, so it is micro. Lesser the base pair, less is the length, less is the repetition, it is mini. And mini satellite is also called as variable number of tandem repeat. Variable, this is the DNA fingerprinting depend on the process of polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means form. So in the DNA, one strand, two strand. At the point of 0.1, there is a variation. Variant means difference, and this difference is due to the mutation. So this point differ from other. So this is a source of polymorphism. So on this basis, variable number of tandem repeat. The scientists first take out this repeated DNA and cut in the lab condition into fragment. This fragment by the enzyme molecular scissor, a small fragment. Then it has to be separated. For the separation, because it is double helical, for the separation high temperature is given. At high temperature, the DNA become denatured and both the strands are separated from each other. Then to make hybridization, the scientists use the DNA probe, PROBE, which is nothing, which is the strand of artificial synthesized strand of DNA. So if this is one denatured strand, then it is DNA probe, so they multiply by DNA polymerase, one hybrid DNA molecule form. From the other DNA strand, other probe DNA by DNA polymerase, other hybrid strand of DNA molecule form. So this is the polymerase chain reaction. Then they go to the southern blot, southern the name of the scientist, to visualize the DNA strand, and DNA strand appear on the dark strand, different fragment. So this is the summary of DNA fingerprinting. Next time on my lecture I will explain whole the process. This is a briefing. Have you understand the briefing? Okay, thanks.